Autel Robotics to announce new EVO II V3 series drones at IFA 2022. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Aviation and aerospace company Autel Robotics will be announcing a range of new drones and related accessories at Electronics Trade Show IFA 2022. Autel's products to be revealed include the new Autel EVO II V3 series, a live deck video streaming accessory, and 2 smart controllers for the new line of drones. Building upon the successes of the EVO II V2 series, the updated EVO II V3 series features improvements such as higher resolution image systems with improved low light performance, enhanced thermal camera performance, and the addition of attachable accessories for specific use cases. Other modifications include improved heat dissipation for increased operational durability, multi-GNSS positioning capability for more accurate flying, and improvements to long-range image transmission. In total, 6 new EVO II models will be shown off at IFA 2022, including the EVO II Pro V3, EVO II Pro RTK V3, EVO II Dual 640T RTK V3, EVO II Dual 640T V3, EVO II Pro Enterprise V3, and EVO II Dual 640T Enterprise V3. The company is also set to announce the EVO II Live Deck 2, a new live deck video streaming and conversion accessory, as well as 2 remote controllers, the Smart Controller V3 and Smart Controller SA, all of which will be fully compatible with the EVO II V3 series. IFA 2022 will be held at Messe Berlin, Germany from 2 to 6 September 2022. Autel New Product Introduction event will take place on September 2nd from 16 to 16:30 and will be located in Hall 3.2 at booth number 110. Subscribe to DroneLife.com for more commercial drone news.